This month, I've managed to sew 3 garments. Let me show you. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. I am a sewing content creator and pattern designer for Know Me Patterns. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all 3 things that I have recently made. I'm really excited because one of them is my new spring Know Me pattern, so I will be sharing that in this video. Before I get started though, I do want to give you all a quick update on all of my extracurricular craft activities. From sewing to crocheting to doing repeat patterns. I've been doing it all this year, y'all. And I welcome you all to do it too. In one of my previous videos, I was sharing with you all how when Mimi and I had our fabric store, I used to just doodle like little drawings on my iPad in our free time with hopes that maybe one day we'll be able to get them printed onto fabric and we can sell them, or just have my own designs to do other things with. I got away from that idea, but I did recently remember how much just kind of doodling was relaxing. I really enjoyed it. And so I did find a class over on Skillshare that I've been taking. Thank you so much, Skillshare, for sponsoring today's video. If you did not know, Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives. So if you're looking for classes with illustration, graphic design, photography, music, marketing, productivity, Skillshare is for you. They have thousands of classes in that community led by industry experts. So if you feel like you're just a beginner or maybe you need a little bit of experience before you take a class, you do not. They do have beginner classes that you can take confidently and it won't be overwhelming for you, as well as advanced and expert classes. So if you already know a skill and maybe you just need a little refresher in it, they have those classes there as well. I'm currently taking this class right here on how to create a repeat pattern so I can take my little doodles that I like to do just to keep me relaxed and just learn how to make them repeat patterns. So if the time comes around again and maybe I just want to make one garment with my own fabric print, I have some doodles and prints already ready that I can send off and have printed. So if you are interested in taking this class or any other class that's on Skillshare, the first 500 people to click the link in the description box will receive a 1-month free trial to Skillshare. So click the link now and go ahead and browse all their amazing categories and start taking a class today. Let's get started with the 3 garments that I recently made. Let's kick things off with my new spring pattern. This one right here is Know Me 2122. This is a Mrs. jumpsuit in 2 lengths. It also has some other variations on it. So view B, it does have the straps. It does have pockets as well. View B is a little bit longer and it has an elastic casing along the hem. And view A is a shorter length and it has a hem band with no strap. But of course you can add the straps to it if you prefer. View B also has a little ruffle on that detail around the very top of it. But when I tell y'all I love this jumpsuit, I love this jumpsuit. You all may remember last year, I did like a hack using some shearing fabric from Joann's to create this. I'll put the video up right here if you want to check it out. But one of the main concerns was the drop crotch. I saw some people making it and they were like, I can't get this drop crotch right. So we went ahead and made a pattern, okay? We went ahead and made it a pattern. So if you love in the spring and summertime to just have something that you can just pull on and go, no fuss, no, just pull it on. Just pull it on and walk out the door. This is it, okay? This is it, because that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be pulling this thing on and walking out the door. This is a woven jumpsuit, so you will need some woven fabric. The recommendations on the back of it is for a challis, chambray, cotton blend, and linen blend. The yellow one here on the pattern cover is a linen blend, and the purple one is actually a gauze. So again, this is the linen one that's on the cover, and I love a linen. You all know that's one of my favorite fabrics to work with. So again, this is a linen blend, and I made it again. I just finished filming the tutorial and I used a navy cotton gauze for that. So I'm all for the gauze in spring and summer, like gauze me up. So my pattern is not out just yet. This is like a little sneak peek of what's to come, but it will be available on simplicity.com April 1st. So definitely go ahead and get ready. The new collection will be dropping. Know Me as well as McCall. Those 2 drop together. So again, I just think it's the perfect spring and summer little jumpsuit that you can pop on and go run errands, do whatever you have to do in it. And it's so comfortable. It has pockets. Need I say more? It has pockets. The second thing that I recently made was the new Sew It Academy dress. So this is the dress right here. I think this is the cutest dress. The only thing I wish is that I wish I would have used a more kind of brighter, summery, vibrant fabric. But this is all I could find at the craft store that I went to. So, I mean, it is what it is, but it is still very spring, still very light. This is a super cute and easy dress. I feel like this is like a staple dress that you can just have in your closet closet to pull on. And I also feel like it's almost like a blank canvas dress. And what I mean by that is so much you can do to this dress. You can add patch pockets to it. You can add side seam pockets to it. You can do it with or without the ties, which I do recommend having the ties on it, just because you can cinch it in at the waist to create a little bit of shape. You can create like a high-low hem with the dress as well. You can add side splits to the dress, have them higher up if you want to show a little bit more leg, or lower down. You have that option, as well as buttons and buttonholes or some snaps. I chose to go with snaps on this dress, and I'm really happy that I did. The one thing I will say is a few of them, maybe like 4 or 5 of them, attached incorrectly. So that kind of bugged me, and I don't know if I will ever unsnap this. This is just gonna be pulled over the head, because I don't want to unsnap them and they like really just come apart. But like 4 of my snaps did not attach correctly for some reason. I don't know. But again, this is a really quick and easy dress. I think it's fantastic for spring and summer, something you can just pull on and go. I don't know what it is about spring and summer, but if I can pull on and go, that's what I want. That's all I have the capacity for when it's hot. If you are in the Sewed Academy, this dress is already live. It's already in the dashboard, so you can just log in. I filmed it so you can watch and sew along with me. And at the end of the course, you'll have a really nice, cute dress. Again, I think it's great for spring and summer. The last and final thing that I made recently was my blazer. You all know I've been working on this for like 2 weeks now. This blazer's taken a while. The only thing that I haven't done just yet was add the flowers, the detachable flowers that I want to add to it. I have them cut out. They're cut out, and I decided to go with the detachable rose flowers from Simplicity 3101. So I have 6 of them cut. I just need to sew them. But I figured, you know what, the jacket is done. I can go ahead and share the jacket now. I used a lightweight wool blend fabric here that we used to have at Melanated Fabrics for the main fabric. I did interface all of the main pieces except for the sleeves. So the fronts and the back, I also interface with weft interfacing. The lining is a lightweight rayon. I just love the contrast of the black and white and like the speckled black and white. I love all that. I decided to just go with some black buttons here. These are some ones that I already had at the house. I didn't have to go run out to get anything. And yeah, I love this blazer. I just think it's a staple that I can add to my wardrobe. It's something that I would definitely wear during the spring, because it's still kind of chilly, like during the early part of the day. So I can definitely see myself putting this on with a little tank top, with some jeans and some sneakers, rolling the sleeves up, because that's where the action is. Okay, the action is on the sleeve. That's the only way you're gonna see the lining with me wearing it. But I love, love, love this blazer so much. Mimi G already has a sew along on her channel for this. So if you want to make this blazer, I'll link her video below where you can go watch. I watched it. It was great, step by step. So again, if you are interested in making this blazer, check the link in the description box to go watch her video, and we can be blazer buddies. I know a lot of people have this blazer on their like to make list, and I highly encourage you to make it. It has like a sleeve heading here, some shoulder pads. It does have some side seam pockets. I really do like that. And again, yeah, it has 2 buttons along the front. It's just a nice classic blazer. Like, you can do so much with it, and I'm excited to style it and play with it and add my detachable flowers to it. So I'm really excited that I was able to get so much sewn. Proud of myself with what I was able to make and create. I know in the past I could probably double that, but in this present time in life, with all the children being in sports, my workload, hubs, like, it's so busy right now. I am just thankful and grateful for these 3 garments. So just to encourage you, if you feel like you're not outputting a lot of garments like you used to, maybe you're just not in the season where you was creating or you were inspired the way you once were, I encourage you to just do what you can, make progress when you can. And if you only get one thing sewn, or if you get one thing started, or if you're not able to do anything, it's okay. The sewing machine is going to be there waiting. She ain't going nowhere. Okay, it's yours. She gonna be there when you ready. It's a new season, and we're gonna do what we can in this season. Amen. If you've enjoyed today's video, you can click right here to watch a sew along on how to make an easy pair of pants using one of my Know Me patterns, Know Me 2110. Until next time, blessings everyone. Bye.